students, welcome to today's math class, and today we'll do factorization. Our learning objectives are factorization by taking out common factors, factorization by regrouping terms, factorization using the identities, factorizations of quadratic trinomial, division of algebraic expressions, subcommon error in algebraic expression. Factorization of algebraic expression is the process of expressing it as the product of irreducible factors. First is factors. When an algebraic expression can be written as a product of two or more expressions, then each of these expressions is called the factor of the given expression. Next is factorization. The process of finding two or more expressions whose product is given expression is called the factorization. Look at the example given below. Finding products x multiplied by y plus z, that is equals to xy plus xz. Factors xy plus xz के factors क्या हो जाएंगे? x multiplied by y plus z. Clear? Next is factorization by taking out common factors. We factorize each term of the given algebraic expression as the product of irreducible factors and separate the common factors. Then we combine the remaining factor in each term in accordance with the distributive law. We'll take an example here. Here we have to factorize 5xy plus 10x. The irreducible factors of 5xy and 10x are 5xy को करेंगे तो 5 into x into y, 10x हो जाएगा 2 into 5 into x. इसको आगे हम reduce नहीं कर सकते. Clear? So we can see that the two terms have the 5 and x as a common factor. Now 5xy plus 10x, that is equals to 5xy plus 2 into 5x. So 5x into y plus 5x into 2, because 5 दोनों में है, 5x into y and 5x into 2. Now we'll combine the two terms using the distributive law. How? Now what we'll do? 5x हम common ले लेंगे तो first term में क्या रह जाएगा? y and second term में 2. So 5xy plus 10x, that is equals to 5xy plus 2. This is the desired factor form. Clear? Know it. 1 is the factor of every term, but unless it is specially required, we do not show 1 as a separate factor of any terms. Clear? Next, factorization by regrouping terms. Look at the expression 6ab plus 7 plus 6b plus 7a. We can notice that there is no single factor common to all terms. Also, the first two terms have the common factors and the last two terms have no common factors. But we can see 6y common in the first and third term, and 7 is common in second and fourth term. So we regroup the term 6ab plus 7 plus 6b plus 7a. So first what we'll do, regrouping करेंगे 6ab plus 6b plus 7 plus 7b. Now in these two terms we'll take 6b as a common. So क्या बच जाएगा? a plus 1. Now here we'll take 7 as a common, so 1 plus a. So a plus 1 is same as 1 plus a. So 6b, a plus 1, 7 plus 7, a plus 1. So there are two factors. One is common in both, a plus 1, and other is 6b plus 7. Clear? The expression 6ab plus 7 plus 6b plus 7a is now in the form of product of factor. Its factor are a plus 1 and 6b plus 7. These factors are irreducible. Sometimes we do not have to regroup. Sometimes हमें regroup नहीं करना पड़ता, वैसे ही वो arrange होते हैं, and sometimes we have to regroup them to take something common. Next is exercise 7.1. Find the common factor of the following terms. So first 7x square. So factors हो जाएंगे 7 into x into x. Clear? Next is 21x. So factors are 7 into 3 into x. So common क्या हो जाएंगे? 7x. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is factorization using identities. Factorization when the quadratic trinomial is a complete square. We know that x plus y का whole square that is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square, and x minus b y का whole square that is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. So here we have used the identity. So x square plus 2xy plus y square. So we can also write it in form of x plus y का whole square that is equals to x plus y multiplied by x plus y. X square minus 2xy plus y square, we can write x minus y whole square that is equals to x minus y into x minus y. We compare the expression with the identity and factorize accordingly. Now we'll take an example. Factorize 25a square plus 20ab plus 4b square. So here it is written in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 25a square की फॉर्म में हो जाएगा 5a का स्क्वायर, 4b स्क्वायर को हम लिखेंगे 2b का होल स्क्वायर. सो 20ab that is in form of 2 into 5a into 2b. So first and third term are perfect square with the positive sign before the middle term. So we use the identity x square plus 2xy plus y square that is x plus y का whole square. We can say x यहाँ पे क्या है 5a and y equals to 2b. So we can write in the form of 5a plus 2b का whole square. Clear? Next is exercise 7.2. Factorize the following expression using square identity. First is 9m square plus 30m plus 25. So here it is written in form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 9m square that can be written as 3m का whole square. Clear? 25 can be written as o square of 5 and 30m that can be written as 3m into 2 into 5. Clear? So this is equals to a and this is equals to b. So a की वैल्यू क्या हो गई यहाँ पे 3m and b की वैल्यू हो गई 5. So we can write it as 3m plus 5 का whole square. Clear? Next is factorization of quadratic trinomials. A quadratic trinomial is in the form of x square plus bx plus c. There are four types of quadratic trinomials: x square plus bx plus c, x square minus bx plus c, x square plus bx minus c, and x square minus bx minus c. First is type 1. X square plus bx plus c. In order to factorize this type, we have to choose two number b1 and b2 in such a way that b1 plus b2 that is equals to b and b1 multiplied by b2 that is c. The sum of both the number b1 and b2 must be b and the product must be c. Like here, for example, m square plus 8m plus 12. So here what we have to do? We have to split the middle term. Middle term is 8m. In that way, when we multiply, we'll get that is equals to product of these number. Like extreme term है उसके product के होना चाहिए, and when we add them that is equals to middle term. Like here m square 8m को जो numerical value है that should be there, like 12 है. So अगर हम इन दोनों को multiply करें 6 into 2 that is equals to 12, and when we add them that is equals to 6 plus 2 8m. Clear? So m square plus 6m plus 2m plus 12. So product क्या हो गया? 6m and 2m का product क्या हो गया? 12m square. That is equals to the product of these two. And when we add them, that is equals to the middle term. Now we'll take common. M common ले लेंगे. M plus 6. And in these two, we'll take 2 as a common. M plus 6. So two factors हो जाएंगे. One is m plus 2 and other is m plus 6. Next is type 2. X square minus bx plus c. In order to factorize this type, we have to choose two number b1 and b2 in such a way that b1 and b2 both are negative and the sum of both the numbers and product must be C. So B1 plus B2 that should be equal to B, and B1 multiplied by B2 that is C. Sum of both the numbers B1 and B2 must be B and the product must be C. So example लेते हैं x square minus 7x plus 12. So now we'll split the middle term in a way that the product should be equal to the extreme term. 12 x square के बराबर होना चाहिए. So x square plus, and when we add them together that should be equals to middle term. So minus 4 minus 3 into x plus 12. X square minus 4x and minus 3x. Their product is 12x square. Clear? And when we add them together that is equals to the middle term 7x. Now x कॉमन ले लेंगे, x minus 4 हो जाएगा, minus 3 कॉमन लेंगे, x minus 4. So two factors हो जाएंगे, x minus 4 that is common in both and x minus 3. Clear? Next is type 3. X square plus bx minus c. In order to factorize this type, we have to choose the two number b1 and b2 in such a way that b1 is greater than b2. b1 is positive and b2 is negative. b1 minus b2 must be equal to the b and b1 multiplied by minus b2 that is equals to c. b1 plus b2 equals to b and b1 multiplied by b2 that is equals to c. Sum of both the numbers b1 and b2 must be b and the product must be c. For example, y square plus 10y minus 96. Now, this number is negative. Y square and minus 96 का product क्या होगा? Negative होगा. So, we'll factorize like y square plus 16y minus 6y minus 96. y कॉमन ले लेंगे, y plus 16 minus 6 कॉमन लेंगे, y plus 16. So, two factor हो जाएंगे y plus 16 and y minus 6. Next is type 4. X square minus bx minus c. In order to factorize this type, we have to choose two number b1 and b2 in such a way that b1 is less than b2. b1 is negative and b2 is positive. Minus b1 plus b2 must be equal to minus b and minus b1 multiplied by b2 that is equals to minus c. So here m square minus m and minus 110. So we have to choose the number in such a way that b1 should be negative. So we'll factorize m squared minus 11 m plus 10m minus 110. m common लेंगे, m minus 11 plus 10. So that is equals to m minus 11. So two factor हो जाएंगे, m minus 11 and m plus 10. Clear? Next we'll take an example. Factorize the following: m square plus 13m plus 42. So here we have to split the middle term in a way that their product should be equal to 42m square, and when we add them together that should be equal to 13m. Sum उसके बराबर होना चाहिए. So middle term को किस तरीके से करेंगे? m square plus 7m plus 6m. 7 multiplied by 6 that is 42 plus 42. m कॉमन लेंगे, m plus 7 plus 6, m plus 7 so two factor हो जाएंगे, m plus 7 and m plus 6. Clear? Next is factorize of type ax square plus bx plus c. In this type of trinomial, the sum of two number must be equal to the b1 plus b2 equals to b, and the product of two number must be equal to a into c, b1 into b2 that is equals to a into c. We'll take an example here. Factorize the following: 3x square plus 13x plus 4. So, sum 13 का क्या होगा? 12 plus 1 and the product 3 into 4 that is 12. So, two numbers are 12 and 1. So, इसको factorize करेंगे हम 3x square plus 12x plus 1x plus 4. Now again 3x common लेंगे, x plus 4 आ जाएगा and 1 लेंगे, x plus 4. So, two factor हो जाएंगे x plus 4 and 3x plus 1. Clear? Next is exercise 7.3. Given are the product and sum of two numbers, find the numbers. So, product is 16. 16 and sum is 10. सो नंबर्स हो जाएंगे 2 and 8. Numbers are 2 and 8. 2 into 8 16 and 2 plus 8 that is 10. Clear? Next is division of algebraic expression. Here we shall divide one algebraic expression by another. Division of monomial by another monomial. We can divide the monomial by another monomial by dividing their coefficient and then dividing the variables separated by the subtracting their exponent. For example, to divide 56x square y4 z6 by 8x square y square z cube. So we proceed as follow. So divide करना है. First जो numerical values है उनको divide करेंगे. x square को x से, y को y से and z को z से. So x square upon x square, y4 upon y square, z6 upon z3. So that is equals to 56 divided by 8 that is 7. x की पावर हो जाएगी 0, y square and z cube. So आंसर हो जाएगा 7y square z cube. We have learned addition, subtraction and multiplication in the chapter 6 and algebraic expression and identities. The above method could be learned there, but here in this chapter the factorization we can do operation of the division by factorization also. To divide 56 x square y4 z6 by 8x square y square z cube. So इस तरीके से हम फैक्टराइज भी कर सकते हैं and then we can divide. Quotient will be 7y square z cube. Clear? So we can use any of the method. Though this method look unnecessarily long, we have to understand the factorization of monomials clearly, which will also help you in factorization of binomial and trinomial. Next is division of polynomial by monomial. We divide each term of the polynomial in the numerator by the monomial in the denominator. So here we have to divide this polynomial by a monomial. So what we'll do? We'll divide each term of the polynomial by monomial. So 3y8 को पहले y4 से करेंगे, then minus 4y6 को y4 से divide करेंगे and then plus 5y4 divided by y4. So that is equals to, इसको solve करेंगे, so we'll get 3y to power 4 minus 4y square plus 5. Clear? Next is division of a polynomial by a polynomial. We first factorize the numerator and denominator and check the match factor of the numerator and denominator. Then we cancel the common factors from the numerator and denominator. We'll take an example here. Factorize the expression and divide. So expression हमारा 4yz multiplied by z square plus 6z minus 16. And we have to divide it by 2y multiplied by z plus 8. So we have written it like this. Now 4yz को 2y से divide करेंगे, so we'll get 2z and z square plus 6z minus 16. Now factorize the middle term. 2z z square plus 8z minus 2z minus 16 divided by z plus 8. So 2z, z common ले लेंगे, z plus 8 minus 2 z plus 8 upon z plus 8. So 2z, one factor is z plus 8, another is z minus 2. So z plus 8 से z plus 8 cancel हो जाएगा. So that is equals to 2z z minus 2. That is our answer. Next is exercise 7.4. Divide the given monomial by another monomial. So minus 48 a is to power 4 को we have to divide by 12a square minus 4 a is to power 4 minus power minus हो जाएंगे because base same है 4 minus 2, so that is equals to minus 4 is to power 4 and minus 2, that is equals to minus 4 a is to power 2. Clear? Next is some common error in algebraic operation. Students often make mistake in algebraic operation. They confuse between addition and multiplication, subtraction and division, positive and negative, and commit mistake while squaring and using grouping symbol. So student think adding 4 to x means 4x while it is x plus 4 or 4 plus x. Similarly, x minus 4 and x divided by 4, that is different. X upon 4 entirely different. Coefficient 1 in the term are usually not shown, but while adding or subtracting like terms, it could be in the sum or difference. 4x plus x plus 2x, so that is equals to 7x, not 6x. यहाँ पे हमने 1 को मेंशन नहीं किया है, but when we'll add, we'll consider it. 4x minus x, that is 3x, not 4x. Remember to make use of the bracket while substituting a negative value. For example, putting x equals to minus 3 in 5, use bracket like here. 5x equals to 5 into minus 3, that is equals to minus 15. Clear? Student not using bracket, put the 5 minus 3, so that is equals to 2, that is wrong. While multiplying the expression enclosed in the bracket by the constant outside, multiply each term of the expression by the constant or the variable. 5 multiplied by x minus 6, so that is equals to 5x minus 5 into 6, that is 5x minus 30. Clear? So student often multiply the first term of the bracket and leave the other. So you have to multiply with both the terms. Clear? When you square a monomial, the numerical coefficient and each factor has to be squared. Like here, minus 2xy square. So you have to square each term. Minus 2 का square है, x का square and y का square, that is equals to 4x square y square. Clear? While applying formula or the identity, first learn them clearly and select the right formula or identity. Make sure that it is exactly completely applied. Like x plus 5 का whole square, that is equals to x square plus 5 का square plus 2x into 5, not only x square plus 5 square. Clear? Next, while dividing the polynomial by monomial, divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. Like here, a plus 5 upon 5 है, so you have to divide a by 5 and 5 by a. Clear? So that is equals to a upon 5 plus 1. Next is, while dividing a by a, that is a upon a, the student cancel the two terms and write 0. But they must remember that a divided by a is 1. While cancelling, write 1 above the 1 above here, 1 below. However, in subtraction, a minus a, that is 0. Next is exercise 7.5. Add the following, a to b. So we'll write a plus b. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. When an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expressions, then each of these expressions is called the factors of the given expression. The process of finding two or more expressions whose product is the given expression is called the factorization. The trinomial can be factorized by the splitting in the middle term. 1 is the factor of every term. Algebraic identities can be used to factorize algebraic expression. Next is multiple choice question. Take the correct option. X cube minus x. We'll take x as a common. So that is equals to x square minus 1. Now factorize x square minus 1. So that is equals to x plus 1 and x minus 1. So D is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.